In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text in a Facebook post. So this is very easy to do, and this will work both on your phone, on Android and iOS, and also on the desktop version. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the desktop version, but this will work on your phone as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make a new post. So just add a new post, and as you can see, when I type something just like this, test, you can see it's not bold or anything like that. So you have to open up a new tab, and you want to search for the following thing: gagtext.com/bold italic. Just like this. You want to search for this, and if you're on a phone, just search a different tab. If you're on an iPhone, just search it on the browser, and then you want to hit enter, and here you can enter in the text you want to bold. So just type in, hello, this is the example text, and as you can see, here is the bold sans text. So you want to go over here and you want to hit copy, and now I copy this text. If you want bold serif, you can copy this one, and if you also want italic, you can copy one of these. Now you can head over to Facebook again, and you hit Ctrl V or just copy it, paste it, and as you can see, it's bold. And when I post it, it may take a while. As you can see, it's in bold text. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.